Let's take a look. This is a modification housing display. Fix the material with a vise. First, we process the approximate shape of the product. Further refinement. Change into a smaller diameter cutter for additional refinement. Today, we used a total of 13 tool sets to complete this product. This is a long process and our tools need to be constantly drilled and perfected. The output of a fine product requires careful craftsmanship. Refine the details inside the hole for perfection. Continue to drill the hole as per requirements. Make threads inside the pre-drilled hole. Automatic flip. Punch 2 points of the hole first. Use a drill bit to drill the hole to the appropriate depth. Further refine the internal details. This completes the product. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.